Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back with my first couple pages of my mini glue book series. I got this inspiration from, I think her name is Mika? No, Mickey? I'm so bad. Um, I have in my first video, I'll put her channel down below. She's the one that I watched her video on doing these little mini glue books. But I first watched um, Patty over at Life with Patty. She did a video and she was putting things in her glue book. But I didn't want to do a big one. I think these little ones are really cute and adorable. And it's almost like an ATC card, that you can definitely put ATC cards in here as long as they're not two-dimensional. But let me share my couple pages that I did. This is going to be like my title page or my beginning of my book. It says my first glue book, and I put the year September 19th, 2024. Layered up some ephemera pieces from my little box of goodies. This is a great way to use those bits and bobs that you have laying around and adding to a little journal like this. I just think that it's so much fun. Here is another page that I didn't really go too crazy about. I just added some pattern paper. This is from a book page that had, like streets, and it's a map of some sort. And then I added this this old chipboard arrow that I had in my stash. And then I also decorated the back two pages. So this kind of mimics the first page with the same kind of papers. This is like the doily. I added a tag and a ribbon to go with the black arrow. I have a cut apart that I had in my stash, and I inked the edges, and I added this flower to the tag. Yeah, just a lot of layering, and I like it. I guess this is like an eclectic glue book, I guess. It's not a traditional glue book. I don't know. I'm just doing it my own. On this page, I just added some papers that I had laying around. This is like a digital that I bought. Here is some paper from the Hobby Lobby. This is a chipboard, sort of a chipboard label that I added some butterflies to because of this butterfly, and then a darker pink butterfly. Here is a word from G. Kerr's her Facebook page. She gives off free digitals, and I love the words that are in here. So I add amazed. Didn't go too much into, embellishing, but I do love it. Yeah. So those are those are 4 pages in my mini glue book. So I am having a ball with this thing. I think I want to do a couple more. I think I'm going to do a couple in the center of the book. Maybe do a pocket. I don't know. But this is such a great idea. I'm having a blast. Thanks everybody for watching. If you have any questions, you can leave them down below and I'll answer them. You can please give me a thumbs up. That would be awesome. And yeah, have a great week, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.